Dog WIF hat is seeing a beautiful rally today, 20% higher. So we're going to talk about what's going on because this is one of the best performing of the larger Solana meme coins out there. Clearly you get some small ones that are running today, doing very well. But Dog WIF hat is up nearly $200 million in overall market cap in the last 24 hours. So let's talk about what's going on. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, Dog WIF hat doing a phenomenal job, rising 20% over the last 24 hours. And if you take a look at the news, it's got a lot to do with the technicals, and it's actually got a lot to do with some Las Vegas sphere ready to see a beautiful new picture. It says Dog WIF hat is up 23% over the last 24 hours, following the coin's X account suggesting that the Solana-based meme coin's mascot would finally be projected on the Las Vegas sphere. In March of last year, the group raised $690,000 with a stated goal of getting the picture of the dog wearing a beanie on the sphere, and community members have been waiting for the doggy dreams to come true. Now, you could see right here that they've got a lot of very nice posts going on, and that could be driving prices higher, but we'll also have a lot going on today with technicals as well. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this, so just some of the key takeaways. WIF's price is now approaching the $1 mark, having broken above 88% level of resistance. Volume is surging nearly 100% to $436 million, making it one of the heaviest traded meme coins out there today. And unless demand drops, it may finally break resistance with a possible target between $1.72 and $2 per coin. Now, the good news is I own a lot of Dogs AI, so I'm excited about this one moving higher. The better news is, as these meme coins rise, we have got opportunity on the Solana blockchain all across the board. So you can go out there and you can see any of these Solana meme coins that are already trading and take your pick. Or you can grab some of them that have not yet been listed. And Solixi is one of my favorites. Solixi is building the world's first layer 2 blockchain on Solana. These guys have already raised $43.6 million. They've got nearly 80,000 followers out on their X account, growing every single day, continuing to raise every single day. And I've also bought into Solixi. So if you guys are interested in buying into Solixi, you can go with buy with crypto or buy with card. You get a link for everything down in the description. And then you connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet. So if you guys need to download that, you got a link for it down there as well. But just know that you can already go out there and interact with the blockchain explorer, interact with the bridge, interact with, I mean, honestly, if you want to interact with the developers, you can go out and check out their social media account and interact with those that are running the project. Solixi is building something big, and I want to be a part of it. Overall cryptocurrency market is turning into something very big, and I'm going to be a part of it. Guys, Solana is simply range bound right now between support at the 50-day moving average and resistance at the 200-day exponential moving average. Now, knowing that it's been trading between these levels for the last couple of days, it should break out in hopefully the upside direction. Now, that is heavily going to be dependent on what Bitcoin is doing. And right now, the good news is Bitcoin is recovering. It continues to follow the ascending trend line that has been set up since, when is this? Beginning of April. It continues to hit these higher highs and higher lows and testing all-time highs once again. So with all of this positive sentiment going on, with all of this positive news and these catalysts surrounding Dog WIF hat, surrounding Solana, surrounding all of these meme coins, I continue to accumulate. As the sentiment turns from a level of 57 greed to hopefully a level of extreme greed, we could have very nice gains ahead of us. We simply have to accumulate before those gains take place if we expect to add those positions and add those capital gains to our portfolios. So if you guys are interested in accumulating Dog WIF hat, get a link for KSEX down in the description below. Actually right here, so you guys can trade it all day long if you want. And you guys can actually trade Dog WIF hat on up to 75x leverage. Look at the futures fees, guys. 0%. You're not going to find a cheaper exchange in the United States or probably outside the United States as well. And on top of that, if you're looking at holding cryptocurrency, make sure you guys hold on the blockchain somewhere like Best Wallet so that your crypto and your assets are in your custody. Let me know what you guys do with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.